All right, everybody, I'm here with the lovely Miss Madison Vlogs. She's tired, and we're gonna fly a drone today.
I'm not a miss.
What?
I'm not a miss.
All right, we're gonna fly a drone today, and this is the Parrot AR 2.0. This is the Elite Edition. This is actually an older generation drone. It's packed full of sensors on the bottom. I believe brand new was several years ago, 5 years ago. This was listed at $299.
I don't have the money to buy that.
I know you don't have the money to buy that, but I bought it.
Illegal.
I didn't buy it for $299. I picked this up for 40 bucks. The reason why I did it is supposedly to be a easy drone to fly, and it's I took it outside this morning, flew off of 2 full batteries. It only comes with 1 battery, by the way. I flew it off of 2. It's a very strange thing to fly. It basically flies on the sensors of your phone. You twist your phone and all that jazz, or your tablet. But we're gonna go ahead and get this set up, get the app turned on.
A tablet would be too big to fly it.
Yeah, I'm gonna install the indoor foamy rubber bumper things on here instead of the outdoor one, because she's flying it for the very first time. She'll probably crash it. She'll probably get angry, throw my phone on the deck, and walk off, and make for some fantastic video.
Yeah.
So I think we're all set up. I'm gonna get my phone turned on and make sure I'm still recording. I'm still recording on my GoPro. So let's go ahead and okay, come on over here, Madison. I'm gonna show you I don't know if do you think the cameras, can you see it? I don't know if y'all can see that, but we're gonna go to the AR free flight. We got a breeze out here today, so but this thing is actually pretty fantastic. Well, actually no, I have to go ahead and turn on the Wi-Fi first. I have to take my GoPro off.
Feels like I'm flying.
Hopefully when I take my GoPro off, I won't lose my signal on my hopefully we're still recording.
I wonder where the trail goes to back there.
Here, I gotta take off my hat cam and make sure I'm still recording. All right, we're still recording. I went ahead and restarted it. I'll put the video together properly.
You want me to go to the...
Oh, here, yeah.
This?
Are you on the AR drone? Okay, then
yeah.
Just go ahead and go into the app itself. You got to find the app here.
It's all...
Here, let me make sure I get the GoPro on my head correctly. Okay.
It's right there.
All right. Now go to piloting. All right. All right. Now step back. Step back.
Good.
So the video is actually going to go ahead and record to the phone. See where it says? See, I don't. Here, let me show. See in here, you have takeoff.
Do I take it off?
Yeah. All right. Put your thumb right here. Keep it, and you can go up and down. And
oh gosh, I don't know how to do this.
Remember how I told you about twisting the phone?
Yeah.
See what I mean? See what I mean? It's kind of, you're fighting on a little wind, but
no, because it's a breeze.
well, that's okay. That's okay. You're fine. You're doing a good job. See? I think this is a beginner's drone.
I didn't see it too.
Remember the phone?
Oh yeah.
But you got to keep both thumbs on there and do it. Now do it.
It's not doing anything.
Here, let me take over real quick.
Oh, it's so bright out here.
I'm gonna try to twist this around, and I'm gonna bring it.
That's not doing it.
This is kind of a difficult thing to fly.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
I'm not used to this. Okay. Okay. But it is rock solid when you just let it hover. It likes to fight that breeze. I'm gonna walk over there. She's flying it now. No, you don't want to go out to the road. Just let it, okay, just let it hover and hit land. All right, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back where we're at. We'll try to keep it out in this area because I don't want to go out to the road.
Well, that was good.
Yeah, that was good. All right, let's step back over here. Let it take off. You gonna take off over there? Okay. That's Madison flying it. Miss Madison Vlogs. Vlog over. There you go. Now you can move your thumb, your right thumb over it, and it should come around. Oh.
Oh, that's cool. I just did.
Man, it's fighting it.
I know. It's a windy day and wind speed's up to 100 miles per hour.
Yeah, I shouldn't be flying it, so it should be making you do it. See, it's kind of weird. This whole gyroscopic thing, I don't know if I like it or not.
That's not fun. I mean, it's not really productive.
Well, you know what? This wouldn't be the drone that I would give you, though. It's too wishy-washy. I don't know. Maybe there's a reason why this was 40 bucks. What does it say here? Control.
Emergency.
Not available. Control.
It says emergency. Just
I know. Land. I can't land.
Land.
Oh, land. I'm hitting it. Let me kill this app. All right, let me go back into the app.
It's still going.
I know it's still going.
This is illegal, kids. Please don't try this at home.
This is one I don't like about flying on Wi-Fi. Oh, and I lost my Wi-Fi signal. So meanwhile, the battery's draining, going dead. I don't know.
It's hovering by itself.
Now it's back on my GoPro.
No, it's hovering by itself.
I know it's hovering by itself, but I don't know why I kicked you out of that app. That's why I don't like Wi-Fi. See, finally it died. And we got 42%. You want to take off again?
Sure.
I don't know why I kicked you out of that app. I wonder if it's because you got too far away from it. You let it go. It's like one of these close drones where you... Don't let it go too far away, Madison, because you'll lose signal on this thing. It looks like. Walk up a little bit. Come on up here, honey. I don't know, this thing kind of sucks. Did it just land on its own?
No.
Oh, you landed it?
I don't want him to go that far.
Here. I'm gonna try to figure this thing out. Okay, twist it. Come back, come back. Oh, I see. Ah. Come on. Oh, this thing is... Well, I don't have it on the highest setting either. But you know what? This won't be your drone. This is actually going to somebody else.
Yeah. Hey, we should
whose drone is? No, we're not doing a giveaway because I'm already gave this drone away. Who's this going to, Madison? What's his name?
Darby.
No, not Darby.
I don't know.
Patrick.
Oh. I'm sorry, I forgot the person's name.
So I'll let Patrick figure it out. But that's how you do it. See, on this phone, you kind of like, oh, and you twist it. Both thumbs down. Ooh. Yeah, it's... You want to fly some more Madison Vlogs?
I guess.
See how I'm doing both thumbs on there, and I
think I got it.
It's just like playing one of those video games from the car racing things. See, you got it kinda. It took me 2 batteries to figure it out. I was like, how in the heck do I fly this thing? See, now you're doing, ooh, look at the funnel. That's pretty cool. See, it flies actually pretty decent. This would be all right. Whoa! Oh. You really twisted it back. I think what happened is you picked it up and the wind caught the foam. Yeah. Oh. See, what happened is the wind. Well, the wind caught the foam, and the great thing about it is when it does crash, it cuts off all the propellers. It does? Yes. Just like any other Parrot product.
What is the rescue feature? What is the rescue feature?
I don't know, but hit takeoff.
Okay. Let's go, mate. Oh.
So you got a wind coming from across. Whoa.
Oh my God. Land.
Chicken.
Sorry. I didn't even touch it.
Man, it's good. Well, don't touch anything, Mom. I'm gonna have my hand. I'll put my hands in here. All right, ready? Do it again.
I'm gonna step 100 feet away.
No, you don't want to be that far away because that Wi-Fi signal. Whoa! Bring it back. Bring it towards me. Don't take it out there. Twist it until it comes towards me. Is it landing on its own? Oh, yeah. What does it say?
It says battery low.
Battery low. So that's pretty much it, folks. That's exactly what you're going to get out of here. We got 19% battery left back on it. I wonder if I can take off again. No, it won't allow you on.
19%.
Still don't know what that. What is that rescue mode? Random overbalance. Random. Whoa! Hey, watch this. I hit something. I don't know what.
Can't make this propeller move. That'd be cool if you could.
That is whatever. Yeah, this is the Parrot AR drone.
And my name is Madison.
You know, really think about it, Madison. If you had maybe about 3 batteries, fresh batteries for this thing, probably by the 3rd you'd be a professional.
Yeah, I wanted to be a hello police, and this is something.
But you would be a professional, right?
Yeah. Well, I wanted what like pretty much vloggers have. It's like a scenery drone, so like you fly it up or something like that.
Well, the good thing about it, I did capture the video from that. I think I'm recording on my GoPro.
You are.
I am.
It's T21.
Oh, is it still ticking back?
Yeah.
Okay. So I got that video. I got this video. I didn't get any video of you throwing my phone on the ground and stomping off, which is okay.
Do not get
this drone, I tell you what, for a beginner, I would really stick with the was it the U49C, the one I got Darby, the red one, the red heron, and you get the blue heron.
I don't know.
And I bought both for, one was like $35, the other one was $45, because I did get it. I know $44 was the second one. That's what the FPV. That's the one he really wanted, so I bought him that one.
Look, I want to get some shout-outs.
So I bought this one for Patrick. So hopefully he'll like it. He'll have to figure it out because I'm not going to buy him anything else. That was $40. So that's a hit. If I had to pay $299 for this, I'd be highly disappointed because you saw how it flies.
Yeah, but if it was a $5 drone, it's not worth it.
Yeah, $40. That's it. $40. Don't spend your money on anything like this. That's more than 40 bucks. But anyway, you want to do a shout out to who?
Oh,
MD95 TSI, Crystal Justice, Captain Cook, Kim, Rolex 0071, and everybody else that subscribes.
Yeah.
You know, if you subscribe to Madison Vlogs, you subscribe to Flybar, we subscribe back.
I have a lot of drone community people.
Yeah. See, today it turned out to be actually kind of nice, and I promised the community that I was going to do a Parrot Bebop video.
Yeah, and guys, I won't put this on my channel. It will be on Flybar, so make sure you go subscribe to Flybar. Make sure you smash the like button.
But you know the thing about it, on my Parrot Bebop fail video,
yeah,
I got some flack off that. I got someone that said, whoa, the title is misleading. But the thing about it, had the person actually watched it all the way through, they would have seen why it was a huge fail, because I spent $150 on a carbon fiber frame that I had to take off, and it's really right now as it is, it's unusable unless I do some modification and put the standard Bebop feet on there, drill into the carbon fiber, and destroy some Bebop feet.
Flybar, he crashes every single drone he gets. He crashes it into trees.
Well, it's because I fly crazy.
Yeah,
I fly crazy. I normally start off really nice, I'm cruising around, but after a while, something happens to me where I just got to fly crazy. I got to throw it into sport mode. I got to take it into attitude mode.
Yeah.
I got to take it out of GPS and just fly.
The Parrot Bebop has a nice sport mode.
How many times did I crash my F200W? Several times.
Yeah.
I even had your little sister go over, hop a fence to grab it for me. So anyway, tune into Madison Vlogs. I'm gonna do a Parrot Bebop video of me doing a range test of the standard frame to see if I fix my problem on my RF. The fail is do not buy a the Carbo Spider frame. So we'll talk to you later. Bye. Peace. Bye.